Welcome back all. Today I'm going to share with you how you can flip one column, which means the values in the bottom will appear on the top and vice versa. So let's quickly move on to our Excel spreadsheet. I have some sample data over there. Let's have a look at it. So in this case, I would like to bring European Union on the top, and then in the reverse order, I would like to see other way around, bringing it downwards. So simple is equal to index. So that's the function we will use here. When we will select the data here, we would freeze it. And you remember for freezing, we had F4. So with F4, we have frozen all of the data here, comma, and now we will press the next part of this function, that is rows. So I pulled in rows, and again, I will select the same data set. However, in this case, we will freeze only the last part of the function. So only B15, that's the last one. With this, I will close the parenthesis, and don't forget we have opened two parentheses, so we'll close twice the parenthesis and press enter. Now you can see European Union on the top, and if I drag it down, you will see that accordingly in the same sequence we got the others following till the time we have the last one, that is the subject 25 appearing here as 25. So that is how you can utilize your functionality of index and rows and get the data in reverse order. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. I look forward to speak to you again soon. Till then, stay safe and take care of yourself. Ciao, ciao.